Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt confused about paying taxes inside QuickBooks Online, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to track and pay your sales tax, plus give you a quick overview of payroll and income tax tracking, so you'll always know where you stand. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share the best reports you should be running to stay tax ready year-round. Let's start with sales tax. If your business collects sales tax from customers, the first thing you need to do is make sure sales tax is enabled in QuickBooks Online. On the left menu, head over to Taxes and select Set up Sales Tax. QuickBooks will walk you through connecting your tax agency, whether that's your state tax board or another agency. Once it's set up, QuickBooks will automatically start tracking sales tax on your invoices and sales receipts. To see exactly how much you owe, go back to the Taxes section and open the Sales Tax Liability Report. This report breaks down your taxable and non-taxable sales, the total sales tax you've collected, and the exact amount due to each agency. It's one of the most important reports for staying compliant. Now, when it's time to actually pay sales tax, QuickBooks makes that part straightforward too. From the sales tax dashboard, select your tax agency, click Record Payment, choose the payment account and date, and save. That's it. Your payment will be recorded and your liability updated. Next, if you also run payroll, you'll want to keep an eye on your payroll tax liability. Head to Taxes, Payroll Tax, and you'll see what's due under the Tax Payment section. For more details, you can run the Payroll Tax Liability Report, which shows employee withholdings, employer contributions, and the total payroll taxes owed. In many regions, you can even make those payroll tax payments directly through QuickBooks Online. Now let's touch on income taxes. Unlike sales and payroll taxes, QuickBooks doesn't automatically calculate your business income tax for you. That's typically something your accountant handles, but you can still track it. To do this, create an income tax payable account in your chart of accounts under Liabilities. Whenever you make an estimated tax payment, record it as an expense or journal entry, debiting income tax expense and crediting income tax payable. Then, when you actually pay your taxes, you'll record it against that same payable account. Running a balance sheet or a quick report on the income tax payable account will show you exactly how much you still owe. Finally, let's talk about the best reports to keep on hand for tax liability. The Sales Tax Liability Report is essential for sales tax. The Payroll Tax Liability Report is a must if you have employees. The balance sheet shows your overall liabilities, including tax accounts. And for a more detailed look, the transaction detail by account report can be filtered to show only your tax activity. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can stay on top of your sales tax payments, payroll obligations, and income tax tracking in QuickBooks Online. I hope this walkthrough cleared up the process for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks and small business tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.